Hi, I am Lakshmi and this is Career Educators. 12th Max la endha doubts irundhalum comment section la kelunga. Adu illama description box la WhatsApp link kuduthirukkom. Contact pannunga, we'll support you. In the video la exercise 7.2 la irukra question number 4 solve panna porom. Question la enna kekranga find the point on the curve y square minus 4xy equal to x square plus 5 for which the tangent is horizontal. இப்போ இந்த problem எப்படி solve பண்றதுன்னு பார்க்கலாம். First curve oda equation enna kuduthirukanga y square minus 4xy equal to x square plus 5. இந்த equation 1 ன்னு mark பண்ணிக்கலாம். Next y differentiate பண்ண போறோம் with respect to x. 2y dy by dx minus 4 into x dy by dx plus y into 1 equal to 2x. 2y dy by dx minus 4 multiply பண்ண போறோம் 4x dy by dx minus 4y equal to 2x dy by dx 2y minus 4x equal to 2x plus 4y dy by dx equal to x plus 2y divided by y minus 2x. Next question la tangent to the curve is horizontal கொடுத்ததுனால dy by dx equal to 0. So dy by dx 0 க்கு equate பண்ண போறோம். X plus 2y divided by y minus 2x equal to 0. X plus 2y equal to 0. X equal to minus 2y. இந்த equation 2 னு mark பண்ணிக்கலாம். Next என்ன பண்ண போறோம்னா x ஓட வேல்யூவை first equationல substitute பண்ண போறோம். Substituting 2 in 1. Y square minus 4 into minus 2y into y equal to minus 2y square plus 5 y square plus 8y square equal to 4y square plus 5 9y square equal to 4y square plus 5 5y square equal to 5 y square equal to 1 y equal to plus or minus 1. இப்போ y க்கு நமக்கு ரெண்டு values கிடைச்சிருக்கு. இந்த ரெண்டு valuesையும் second equationல substitute பண்ண போறோம். When y equal to 1 x equal to minus 2. When y equal to minus 1 x equal to 2. Therefore the required points are 2 comma minus 1 and minus 2 comma 1. That's all, we have completed this problem. For more videos, subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next video.